Let's understand that when you have a scenario that you have one color and you want to see which color would go on with a single color or two colors. Say for example, we have a challenge here that we want to change this orange color, and now we want to check which color would go on with this particular blue color of the elephant. So what we do is first we select this color. I'll just take this hexadecimal code. And now I'll check what all combinations can go with this color. So I go to this Canva Color Palette Generator. At the bottom I have this option, create a custom color palette. And I'm just pasting the code here. So if you see this, it is showing that which color goes on with this. So this is one which is complementary color. Let's see, monochromatic. These two could be a very good combination. Analogous. These three can make up a good combination. Try that. So all I'm getting here is more combinations of that particular color, that what I can choose with this particular color, what would complement. And then maybe I can choose this color and put it out there. And if I need, I can even export this palette. So here, let's say if I want to use this color, all you have to do is copy the hex code and then put it back again where you have started with. So you can just also read about these colors, okay? What all color combinations are these? What kind, how did they generate that? What color would go on with this? And then you can go here and then you can use this to this color, you can add on, and you can take your different color which you have started choosing. So I'll have to select the layer. And I can choose this color, the color which I just took. And I can see if this combination, these all combinations are going well. I can choose other colors as well of what colors I've tried.